I'm going to show you how to join two amigurumi pieces together without holes. To join, make a slip stitch into the stitch of the first piece, then chain and single crochet through the both edges. Continue crocheting 3 more single crochet in the same way through the both edges. To avoid holes, we use the decrease method in the joints. Insert your hook into the last stitch where we made the connecting stitch, and then into the next stitch. We continue crocheting on the first piece until next joint. Here we again use the decrease method. I think it looks great, and there are no holes. Here is my finished amigurumi. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first video I have voiced. Please comment if you like this video. Let me know if this tutorial is clear.